Welcome, my friends. I am so glad you're here today. We are going to be spending the morning together as I go through my morning routine, waking up at 6 a.m. as a mom of 6, 5 children still at home. I get started relatively very easy going in the morning. I don't get right up and start heading towards my day, but I do like to do these simple practices every day to make a very peaceful and mindful morning. So I will generally make Noah's lunch the night before, but if that doesn't happen, I will take this opportunity to do it now. He will often forget to bring his lunch, so it's really important that I leave Post-it notes and just let him know because he's 8 years old and he definitely needs to be reminded. But like I had mentioned, if I don't do it the night before, I do it now. It's very basic. He likes what he likes, turkey and cheese sandwich and some other little items to go into his lunch bag. So whoever wakes up first will make the other person's coffee. So Chris will often make me coffee in the morning, or I will do that for him. On this particular morning, I wasn't all there. Emma was already up. She's not usually up this early, but she was on this day. So I wasn't thinking, and I put the coffee cup upside down. So it spilled everywhere, and I went ahead and had to clean this all up and make another cup of coffee for him. Emma usually sleeps until about 7 or 7:30, but today she was wide-eyed, so we just went with the flow. So if she wakes up early, I will get her clothes and we will change her diaper, and I will usually read a book with her. We read lots and lots of books, or we'll watch Miss Rachel or Miss Moni. She's really into the Itsy Bitsy Spider, so that's something we're into a lot as well. But we really like to read books together. I think that's one of our favorite things. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to introduce myself. My name is Lynn White. I'm originally from Memphis, Tennessee, and I live in Florida currently with my 6 children. I have 5 children at home and 1 has already moved out. And I bring all types of homemaking content on this channel. Lots of cleaning, organizing, and decorating, basically just trying to make your house a home.
I want you to have before Him. It takes strength to admit that you need mercy and help. In fact, humility is a requirement if you want God to extend His grace and mercy to you. Admitting your true condition before the Lord takes courage and strength. How can you choose the posture of humility today?
I thank you for this
Lowering
day,
yourself
for the sun and the
so
sky.
He can lift you up.
My mom and my dad and a piece of apple pie.
Jesus, you are King.
So I will take this opportunity to do my devotions, and while I'm listening to my devotions, I am very much an audio or audio learner. Is that how you say it? And so I have this going on while I am reading this book with her, and this is the best way for me to be able to get my devotions. Now, I do want to say that I am a believer, but if you're not, that is okay. I am so glad you are here. I'll never push that on anyone. I want to create a space and a community where all are welcomed, all are loved.
You came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I
So as you saw earlier, I got the air fryer out, and this is where we make our sausage. I make these just about every single morning. My favorite brand right now is the Applegate chicken sausage, the maple flavored. And I do have 4 growing boys, so I'm gonna make them some so they can take them if they want to or eat them before they leave.
Stay strong, you're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah.
So depending on whether I work out in the evening or not, which I will usually try to do, that's just the easiest thing for me right now, depends on whether I take my shower in the evening or the morning. So here are some of the items that I'm using. I have been pouring into my skin, really putting good products on it and trying to just transform it from just years and years of sun damage. I am 40 years old. I am finally coming to grips with it, and I really am trying to make my skin the best that it possibly can be. And I can say that it is actually looking better than it has in years and years and years. So I'm going to take care of my hair now. Sometimes I'm able to get it completely styled, and other days I can't. So we really go with the flow here, not only in life, but on this channel.
Sometimes so wild.
So I have struggled with hair loss, and I was on prednisone for many, many years, and I also had sinus surgery, and COVID, so I have dealt with a lot of hair loss. So I was using the Vegamore serum, which I really like. Now I'm going to use my makeup. I go back and forth. If you're new here, I used to work at Ulta, and I have been in love with makeup since I was a small child. My mom was a chemist for Maybelline, so makeup's always been a part of my life. Right now I am really loving the Saint makeup. It is easy to put on. It is so fantastic for mature skin, aging skin, which, newsflash, all of our skin is aging, but I love this because it gives a very natural finish. So I'm going to put this on, and this is really also great because it's all in one compact.
Sun will shine. The sun will shine.
I attempt to make the bed every single day, and it really plays a pivotal part in my day, and I want to encourage you guys to do the same. There's so much science behind it, but if you can make your bed, it really just sets your day off on the right foot, and it is a great indicator on how your day's going to be. It just, a lot of momentum comes from making that bed. I actually did a Walmart delivery order the night before, and I have Walmart Plus, so I'm able to usually get it within 2 hours, but I did it the night before. So here it is first thing in the morning, and thank goodness, because we definitely needed some groceries. So I'm gonna bring all of this in. I was really sad to see that we actually got groceries from someone else, and it was hundreds and hundreds of dollars, I think, of meat. And I'll show that to you right now, but like Cornish game hens, I think that's what they're called, and a ton of ground beef, sausages, turkey, the list goes on. So I contacted my neighborhood to see if it was somebody else's. No one claimed it. Walmart they don't want it back. So now we had an unexpected blessing of a ton of meat, so I really don't take that for granted. So I'm going to start my crock pot meal. We are going to make a brown sugar cashew chicken. Crock pot meals are by far my favorite because it just takes the stress out of dinners off of me. I do not mind cooking. I actually love to cook, but the coming up with something new to cook every single day is absolutely overwhelming for me, and I've learned that about myself. So that is when these crock pot meals are definitely a lifesaver. So I used about 4 boneless chicken breasts. I will do a sprinkle or maybe a lot of onion powder and garlic powder. I sprinkle that with brown sugar, some liquid aminos, about 2 big old blocks of butter, and some green beans. I let this cook for about 6 hours and it is delicious. Okay, eat your soup, boo-boo. So I love a rainy day, so I'm taking this opportunity to just enjoy the gloomy weather. As long as I don't have anywhere to go, I just embrace it so much. I like to open the windows and just enjoy the sound of the rain falling. It's very relaxing for me. So I'm taking care of some of my morning chores that I have to do right now, and I will usually take care of this now, but if I don't, one of my kids will do it. They have to alternate days on who unloads the dishwasher. But I'm going to take this opportunity to go ahead and take care of some of the morning dishes and fill it back up. So I would love to show up and say that I have a very consistent daily cleaning routine, but I don't. Consistency has never been a strong suit for me. So I basically just take care of what needs to get done most days. Now I do have days where they don't get done and it just escapes me. But the dishes is always something that is tackled every single day. That's for sure. I do try to do laundry. I try to follow up with the things that are out of place. But like I said, it's always different. My kids do have chores that they have to tackle when they get home, but generally we kind of just all work together. So let me know in the comments below if you have a daily cleaning routine or even a weekly cleaning routine. It has been something I have always wanted to do, but like I had mentioned, consistency is not always my greatest, gift, I guess I could say. I want to, but sometimes I just don't see it. It just escapes me. So if I could get on a weekly cleaning routine, I know that would make my life so much easier when it comes to towels and bedding and things like that. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have anything that you want to do on a consistent basis. Come here. Okay. What's this? Butterfly. Yeah. And this? Doodle. Doodle. Hey, what's this? Birdie. What does a bird say? What is this?
Duck.
What's a duck say? Quack, 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 quack. And this? Giraffe. Stomp, 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 stomp. What's a frog say? Ribbit. Ah, it's so silly. It's so silly. It's a silly one. animals. You want to see the piggy? Oh, here we go. Here we go. That's a piggy. Feel the piggy's ear. Feel the piggy's ear. Oh. Wow. Let's put them on the book. Put them on the book. You put on your head. Oh, thank you. You got on my head. So I had my first child at 20 years old, and I've been a single mom, and so thankful that I met Chris. He's such a wonderful man. One of my greatest lessons is having Emma later on in life. I've often said that she will definitely get the best version of me, and also to see my children, older children with her, has been such a sweet, sweet thing to witness. So later on that day, here is the dinner that I made. You can add a veggie of your choice. I did green beans and some rice. This was delicious, and we ate it for days and days. It was perfect on this chilly day. So I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go any further, and also hit that like bell, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.